Hi students, good morning. Today we discuss the topic multiples and submultiple angles. Topic is multiple and submultiple angles. See, if A is an angle, then 2A, 3A, 4A, these are called multiple angles. Whereas A by 2 or 3A by 2 or A by 3, these are called submultiple angles. Okay, write down, if A is an angle, then then 2A, 3A, 4A and so on are called multiple angles. And here A by 2, A by 3, 2A by 3, these are 3A by 2 and so on are called submultiple angles. Submultiple angles of the given angle A. Okay, multiple angles and submultiple angles. Now we have first one, sin 2A is equal to, these are the standard formulas, 2 sin A cos A, and also this is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. So this is sin 2A formulas. Sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A, and also one formula is, and this one formula, and other formula is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. See here, we have sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A into sin B. In this one, put B is equal to A. Therefore, this is a sin of A plus A is equal to sin A cos A plus cos A into sin A. So this is sin 2A is equal to sin A cos A plus sin A cos A. This is just like x plus x is what? 2x. That is 2 sin A cos A. So this is sin 2A formula. Sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A. And this one here, for this 2 sin A, so multiplying and dividing by cos A into cos square A. That is there, multiplying and dividing by cos A. So this is equal to 2. So this is tan A into cos square A is 1 by secant square A. That is equal to, so this is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Secant square A means what? Secant square A can be written as 1 plus tan square A. Therefore, sin 2A. Sin 2A equal to, so one formula is 2 sin A cos A, and one formula is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. So this is the formula for sin 2A. And also here in this formula put A is equal to A by 2. A equal to A by 2. Then this is a sine of 2 into A by 2 is equal to, so this is 2 sine, in place of A write A by 2. 2 sine A by 2 into cos A by 2. And also, so this is what? 2 tan A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. So this is sin A formula, that is equal to, so this is sin A is equal to, sin A formulas are what? 2 tan A, 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. One formula. Another formula is, so this is R. In terms of tan, 2 tan A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. So these are the formulas for sin A. So this is A is an angle, 2A is multiple angle, and this is A by 2 is what? Submultiple angle. So sin 2A form, 2 sin A cos A. In terms of tan, 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Okay. From this result is sin A formula 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2, and also 2 tan A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. Let us note these points. The next one, cos 2A is equal to, cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A is one formula, or 2 cos square A minus 1, one formula, or 1 minus 2 sin square A, or 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. So these are the formulas for cos 2A. Cos 2A. So which formula we are applying? That is depends on the problem. So sometimes it is, if you are applying this formula you get easy answer. Sometimes you go for this, or sometimes you go for this. Sometimes you go for this in terms of tan. 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. So okay, these are formulas of cos 2A. See here, we know that cos 2A, what is cos of A plus B formula? Is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A into sin B. So this is the formula for cos of A plus B. Same as the previous one, put B is equal to A. So this is cos of A plus A is equal to cos A into, where B write A, minus sin A into sin A. So this is cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. So you have one formula, cos square A minus sin square A, that is equal to cos square A minus, you write cos sin square A can be written as 1 minus cos square A. That is equal to cos square A minus 1 minus of minus plus cos square A. That is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. So this is one formula. 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay. And also another formula is, so this is cos 2A. This is also cos 2A. Cos 2A is another formula where this is 2 into 1 minus sin square A minus 1. Cos square A is 1 minus sin square A. That equal to 2 minus 2 sin square A minus 1. That is 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 2 sin square A. So this is one formula. So this is cos 2A. So 1 minus 2 sin square is another formula. Next one is 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Cos 2A is equal to, I can use this result. Cos 2A is cos square A minus sin square A. That is, if I take cos square A is taking common. 1 minus, this is a sin square A by cos square A. This is 1 minus sin square by cos square is tan square A by cos square A is 1 by secant square A. So write by secant square A. Okay, we know that 1 plus tan square A equal to secant square A. Therefore, secant square A equal to secant square A, 1 plus tan square A. So this is 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. So this is cos 2A is equal to. So these are the formulas for cos 2A. So just like the previous sum, again in this one put A is equal to A by 2. So this is what cos of 2 into A by 2. 2 gets cancelled, that is cos A is equal to cos A equal to, in place of A you write A by 2, cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2, and this is 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. So okay, don't cancel this and this. This is an angle, this is the multiple, and 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2, and 1 minus, this is the tan square A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. So these are the formulas for cos A. Cos A, cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2. 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. 1 minus tan square a by 2 by 1 plus tan square a by 2. And again, from this, so this is 2 cos square a by 2, 2a by 2 cos square a minus 1 is equal to what? 2 cos square a minus 1 equal to cos 2a. So 2 cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a. So cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 2 implies cos a is equal to plus or minus root of 1 plus cos 2a by 2. So this is one formula. Either you can take plus or minus, depends on the quadrant. Suppose if EL lies in first quadrant, you can take plus. If EL lies in second or third quadrant, so you can take the value is minus root of. So cos A equal to this. Okay. And here, and also this is cos 2a is equal to another formula 1 minus 2 sin square a. 1 minus 2 sin square a. Take this side. 2 sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a. Sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Therefore, sin a is equal to plus or minus a root of 1 minus cos 2a by 2. 1 minus cos 2a by 2. So, these are also important formulas. Okay, just write down. Next one, from this, similarly, from this, what is cos A is equal to? Similarly, what is cos A is equal to 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1. Implies this is 2 cos square A by 2 is equal to, you can put here only, take this side. 1 plus cos A. So, cos square A by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos A by 2. Therefore, cos A by 2 equal to implies cos A by 2 is equal to plus or minus a root of 1 plus cos A by 2. And similarly, if you take, if cos A is equal to, you take this formula, cos A equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. So, write this side, 2 sin square A by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos A. Sin square A by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos A by 2. Therefore, sin A is equal to plus or minus root of 1 minus cos A by 2. So, these are all the formulas. Right now. Okay, next one, tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. So we know the formula for tan of a plus b. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Okay, in this one put b is equal to a. B equal to a. So this is a plus a. So this is tan 2a. This is a 2a is equal to, so this is tan a plus tan a by 1 minus tan a into tan a. That is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Tan a into tan a, tan square a. So tan 2a formula is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Now here put a is equal to a by 2. So this is tan a. 2 into a by 2. 2 to gets cancelled, tan a is equal to 2 tan a by 2 by 1 minus tan square a by 2. So this is one formula. Next one, cot 2a cot 2a is equal to cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a. Cot 2a form. We know that what is cot of a plus b formula is equal to cot a into cot b minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. So this is cot of a plus b form. Here also put b is equal to a. So this is a plus a, 2a. Cot 2a is equal to cot a into cot a minus 1 by cot b. Cot b means what? You write, put b equal to a. So this is cot a plus cot a. That is equal to cot square a minus 1 by, so this is 2 cot a. So this is cot 2a formula. Cot 2a. That also can be written as, this is also one extension by cross multiplication. 2 cot 2a is equal to cot square a minus 1 by cot a. This is right. Cot square a by cot a minus 1 by cot a. So this cot a, one cot a cancel. So that is equal to cot a minus 1 by cot a is tan a. Okay. So this is 2 cot 2a is equal to, sometimes you can use the results this one while solving the problems. So 2 cot 2a equal to cot a minus tan a, or cot a minus tan a equal to 2 cot 2a. So same, put a is equal to a by 2. So this is what? Cot a equal to cot square a by 2 minus 1 by 2 cot a by 2. So this is cot a form. Next one, sin 3a formulas. Sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. So in trigonometry, there are so many formulas are there. To remember these formulas, you have to more practice. So majority, without the formulas, it is not possible to solve the problems. Every problem depends on the completely formulas. So you have to practice more number of times, then you feel more comfort while solving the problems. Sin 3a equal to, now sin 3a, this can be written as sin of 2a plus a. Sin of 2a plus a. Now this is sin of a plus b form. Sin a plus b is equal to what? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, where a is 2a, b is a. Now you know the formula of sin 2a. Just now we have to derive all these formulas. Sin 2a. What is sin 2a form? 2 sin a into cos a. Okay. Into this is cos a. Plus cos 2a, there are 3 or 4 formulas. So which is suitable means what? Sin 3a in terms of completely sin. So you have to write the formula for cos 2a in terms of sin. What is in terms of sin is what? 1 minus 2 sin square a. So this is the formula for cos 2a. There are 4 formulas are there, but a suitable formula is this one. Why we write only sin? Because sin 3a in terms of sin only completely into sin a. Okay. Now this is 2 sin a into cos a, cos square a, plus 1 into sin a, minus 2 sin square a into sin a. So this is 2 sin cube a. Okay, that is 2 sin a, 2 sin a. What about this? You write 1 minus sin square a plus sin a minus 2 sin cube a. So this is equal to, by multiplying 2 sin a minus this is 2 sin cube a plus sin a minus 2 sin cube a. So 2 sin A plus sin A, which is 3 sin A, minus, this is 2 sin cube A minus 2 sin cube A, that is what, minus 4. So this is minus 4 sin cube A. So this is for sin 3A formula. Sin 3A equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. Next one, cos 3A is equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. So cos 3A formula. This is also cos 3A is equal to cos of A plus 2A. Now this is cos of A plus B form, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So this is cos A into cos 2A minus sin A into sin 2A, cos A. And there are 4 formulas for cos 2A. So for sin 2A there is only one formula, 2 sin A cos A. Of course, we cannot introduce tan because this is completely in terms of sin and cos only. So for cos 2A, there are 3 formulas, cos square A minus sin square A, 2 cos square A minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square A. So the completely in terms of cos. So right, so this is 2 cos square A minus 1 minus sin A into sin 2A is 2 sin A into cos A. That is equal to 2 cos cube A multiplying minus cos A minus, so this is 2, this sin A into sin A, sin square A. So okay, this is, I can write cos A into, so this is sin square A. That is equal to 2 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2 cos A into sin square A is 1 minus cos square A, 1 minus cos square A. So this is equal to 2 cos cube A minus cos A by multiplying, so this is 2 cos A minus of minus plus, so this is 2 cos cube A. Okay, 2 cos cube A, 2 cos cube A, adding these two, that is 4 cos cube A minus cos A minus 2 cos A minus 3 cos A. So this is what, cos 3A is equal to Next one, tan 3a. Tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Tan 3a. So this is the tan of 3a is equal to, you write tan of 2a plus a. Tan of a plus b form. You know the formula for tan of a plus b. This is what? Tan 2a. This is 2. Tan 2a plus tan a by 1 minus tan 2a into tan a. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. That is equal to, so this is tan 3a is equal to tan 2a formula. Again, these are completely formulas. Tan 2a, here tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a plus tan a by 1 minus 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a into tan a. Into tan a. So completely formulas. By taking LCM for this, 1 minus tan square a is LCM. So this is what? 2 tan a. Okay, plus tan a into this. I am multiplying directly. So plus tan a minus tan a into tan square a, that is tan cube a, by, so LCM is what? 1 minus tan square a, LCM. So this is what? 1 minus tan square a, this is minus tan a into tan a, tan square a, minus 2 tan square a, 2 tan square a. 1 minus tan square a, 1 minus tan square a gets cancelled. That is equal to 2 tan a plus tan a. So this is 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus tan square a minus 2 tan square a. This is minus 3 tan square a. So this is for cos tan 3a formula. So similarly, cot of 3a, cot 3a formula is 3 cot a minus cot cube a by 1 minus 3 cot square a. So this is also by same process. Similarly, cot 3a formula, 3 cot a minus cot cube a by 1 minus 3 cot square a. Now write down simplify. So this is exercise problems. Simplify sin 2a. First problem, sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. First problem. And one more problem is and one problem 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. Simplify. So exercise problems are completely based on formulas only. So I have to practice once, twice, thrice. That is, it depends upon your confidence levels, up to your confidence levels. So I have to practice more number of times. First problem, sin 2 theta formula, 2 sin theta into cos theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. There are 3 formulas which is a suitable, means what? It is 1 is there. You can write the formula which 1 gets cancelled. If you have to write 1 minus 2 sin square theta, there is no use. 1 plus 1 is 2. If you have to write 2 cos square theta minus 1, why? Because 1 gets cancelled. Suppose if it is a minus, if it is 1 minus, then you write 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So okay, so 2 gets cancelled and 1 sin theta cos theta cancel. Only thing is sin theta by cos theta, which is equal to tan theta. Okay, now if you take the second problem, this is 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta. There is only one formula, that is what? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta by 3 sin theta minus, okay, sin 3 theta formula, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So these 2 gets cancelled. That is what? 4 cos cube theta by, so this is 3 sin theta minus 3 sin theta and minus of minus plus 4 sin cube theta. Okay, 3 sin theta gets cancelled. So 4 cancel. That is equal to cos cube theta by sin cube theta. That is equal to, this is cot cube theta. So this. So for next class you have to practice the formulas. So because all are formulas, cos 2 theta is a formula, sin 3 theta formula, cos 3 theta formula, and it is sin 2 theta, cos theta. Okay, sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta, sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta derive in this class only. So for next class you have to practice these formulas well, then you feel that the continuation topics you feel very comfortable. Okay, thank you.